Ahoy! Steve here on Disney Toy Productions. So, there's an ornament on my Christmas tree that I'm missing, and I can't seem to find it. So we're gonna make a Christmas tree ornament out of Play-Doh. So this is simple. We just get a bit of Play-Doh. Let's make sure it's just the right size. Let's just add a bit more to make it exactly like an ornament. Because we want this to look like an ornament since it's an ornament. And there you have it. One ornament. Now let's go put it on the tree. Okay, one ornament. There. Good. Now we have the last ornament. Shoe.